Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy BTR or Bitlayer token on Binance Alpha. So BTR just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how. It's very easy. First, you can open your Binance apps on your phone and make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your search box here in the top. Then you can search BTR, search it, and you will find BTR on Alpha, this one. Can click it, and this is the charge. So it's quickly dumb. Yeah, for the charge perspective, it's not really good, but you have to do your own research. This is not financial advice. And if you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top. You will find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. So the volume is good. I think more than 20 million. It's good, bro. And the total supply is 1 billion. Also, you can check their website and link. So let's check their website. So bitlayer.org. Okay, so this is the first BitVM virtual machine powering Bitcoin DeFi. Okay, cool. So they have more than 700 million total value locked, bro. That's good. That's good. So I think it's good. You can do your own research, but I think it's good. Let's check their social media. Okay, cool. Wow, the followers are high, bro. They have a lot of followers. Okay, I think it's good. So okay, let's do a price prediction. So from the total supply, the total value lock, I think it can reach 0.3, I believe, in the few weeks, maybe. I don't know, but yeah, you have to do your own research. It's not financial advice, but that's my prediction. So if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here in the bottom. And then you can choose instant. You can swap your USDT or other token to BTR. Then you can also choose limit order here. You can put the price here. It's up to you. And then you can choose the amount here. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.